Hey guys, welcome to our channel Fun Plus Code. Today we are going to see about dictionaries in Python. Before getting into the topic, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe to our channel. If you really like the video, make sure you hit the like button because that will motivate us a lot. And don't forget to click the notification bell, then only you will get instant notifications of our future videos. Without making further delay, let's get into the topic. Before that, guys, don't skip the video because you're gonna miss some fun, okay? First, we're going to see a real-time example for dictionaries. Consider 4 friends are there and they are feeling hungry. So the group of friends are planning to go to the restaurant for eating and they went to the restaurant. Then they took a table. There is a menu card in that table. So we people know about the menu card, right? Because it consists of all the items along with the price of each items which is available in the restaurant. So we can able to easily order our foods. While looking into the menu card, they are discussing about like what are all the foods available in the restaurant and what can we order like that. The people are making conversation, okay? Finally, they ordered the foods. First one is pizza, next one is burger, third one is sandwich, and finally they ordered ice cream. Okay, here the 4 items are keys which are mentioned left side in the menu card, that is pizza, burger, sandwich and ice cream, and the cost of the items which are mentioned right side in the menu are values 100, 50, 80 and 60. Guys, I consider this restaurant example is a perfect example for dictionaries because in that menu the items are along with the price. I have told you the items are keys and the price are values. Let's see what is meant that keys and values are in dictionaries. Okay. I will let you know what all the terms are in dictionaries. Okay. So first, in previous video, we were talking about what is meant by data structures in Python, what is meant by built-in data structures and user-defined data structures, and under built-in data structures, we have completed list and tuples. In this video, we are going to talk about dictionaries. Okay, already we have saw the real-time example for dictionaries. For now, we are going to see what is meant by dictionaries. Okay, then you will definitely understand what is meant by dictionaries. So, in dictionaries, we can store unordered elements. Next, this is the most important point in dictionaries, guys. It is a collection of key-value pairs. Okay, I've told you in the restaurant menu example itself, it contains a key-value pairs. The items are keys and the values are price. Okay, I will let you know about what is meant by these keys and values in real time while doing programming. Okay, next, it stores different data types. Next one is dictionaries are mutable, that is changeable. We can change the key-value pairs inside the dictionaries. Okay, next one is, this is another most important point. We have to store all the elements, that is all the key value pairs inside the curly braces. Okay, final one is, you can create dictionaries in 2 ways. First, you can create by using curly braces, or you can insert all the key values pairs inside the curly braces, or you can create dictionaries by using dict function. Let's dive into a program. Okay, then only you will be able to understand about what is meant by dictionaries. For this example, I'm going to use PyCharm IDE, and here I've created already a project, and under that project I've already created a file. So here I'm going to take the same example, that is a restaurant menu example. So I'm going to create items equal to within curly braces. Okay, within curly braces, this items is the name of the dictionary, and within curly braces you have to give the key value pairs. First I'm going to give pizza. Okay, colon 100, comma. So here this pizza is a key and this 100 is a value. Okay, since it is a string, you have to mention here within double quotes. Okay, if you're using string, you should give within double quotes. Okay, if you're using integer or float, you should not use double quotes. If you're using string, you have to use double quotes. Okay, next I'm going to give sandwich. Okay, and you have to mention this key values by separating with this colon. Okay, left hand side this is a key and this is a value, and in between you have to give colon. So this is one set of pair, that is key value pair. So you have to separate all the key value pairs with the other key value pairs by using comma. Okay, so this is a one key value pair, right? So after that I am giving this sandwich. Okay, here I will give 80. Okay, so you have to separate this two by using this comma. Okay, this is a one key value pair and this is the second key value pair. So you have to separate using comma. Okay, next I'm going to give burger. Here I'm using colon to separate this key value. Okay, here I'm simply giving 70. Next I'm going to give ice cream. Okay, within double quotes. Here I am simply giving 80. Clear? So here this items is the name of the dictionary and you have to give equal to. After that, inside this curly braces you have to give this key value pair. Okay? So these are all the key value pairs. I have used here 4 pairs of keys and values. So left hand side, this pizza, burger and sandwich, ice cream are all keys. This is a string. So that I have given inside this double quotes, and here 100, 80, 70, 80 are all values. Next I am simply going to print the items. Okay. So it will simply give this dictionary because I have simply printed the values. Next I am going to create a dictionary by using dict keyword. Okay. I am going to give item underscore 1 equal to dict is a function. So you have to give the values inside this dict. Okay, first I am going to give pizza equal to 100, comma, burger equal to 80. I have just given 2 values, okay, for our understanding purpose. Next I am going to print the item 1. Okay, here you should remember these 2 things because this is the first way of creating a dictionary and this is the second way of creating dictionary. In first way you have given this key value pair inside this curly braces. In second way you have used a dictionary function. Here you have to give this, if you are using string means you have to give within double quotes. Here you should not give double quotes. If you give double quotes like this, it will throw error. See, it is showing red line. So Python is angry on you. So you should not use this double quotes while you are using dict keyword. Right? Again, another important point here is if you are creating a dictionary by using first way, you should give this colon to separate this key value pair. Okay, here you should not give colon, you have to give this equal to. Okay, and you are using comma to separate one key value pair to another key value pair. Here also you have to give comma. Okay, this is the 2 difference. First you have to give inside this parenthesis, here you have to give curly braces. Second is here you are using colon, here you are using equal to. And third, this is the same thing, right? Okay, now I'm going to run the program. It will show you the same thing. Okay, here see pizza 100, burger equal to burger 80. I have given this pizza equal to 100 and burger equal to 80, this key value pair inside this dict function, but here it is displaying like, it is showing like dictionary. Clear? So next I want to show you guys the type of this item. Then only you will be able to clearly understand, right? Then how will you understand this is the type of dictionary or this is the type of string or this is the type of XYZ or like that? So I'm going to give this item 1 inside this type. So it should return dictionary. Okay, let's see what will happen. Yes, it has returning dict. Okay, because this is a dictionary. So you can create dictionary in this way or you can create dictionary in this way also. So you can create dictionaries in 2 ways in Python. Next, dictionaries are mutable. Okay, as I said before, dictionaries are mutable, that is changeable. So you can change values inside that. So I'm going to change the value of, that is items of, I want to change or I want to add item salad. Okay, because in that I have missed salad, so I want to add the salad, that is a key, and here the value of the salad is 40. Okay, next I am just printing that for your understanding purpose, then only you will understand the item is added to the list or not. Okay, here let's see that is added to the items list or not. Yes, the salad 40 rupees as added to the first, that is items dictionary. Okay, here this items is the name of the dictionary, this salad is the key. I have passed inside this square brackets. Okay, here you can say this as an index also, but dictionary you have to use the term key. Okay, this is a key, and here after equal to I have assigned the value. Okay, here this is a key and this is a value. Since it is a string, I have given inside this double quotes. Okay, you can change or you can insert or you can modify the dictionary because that is a mutable. Okay, so dictionaries are mutable. Some of the inbuilt functions are available in dictionary, but we will see about all those in our next video, guys, because I'm ending this video here. If you people have any doubts, please let us know in the comment section. We will meet in our next video. Bye bye, take care.